Can I send products from any location inside India to Amazon FBA warehouse? The answer is yes. From India, any pickup location can be selected and you can send products to Amazon FBA warehouse. While scheduling FBA shipment, there will be an option called From Address. Please select Add New Address and there you can add the new address and send the products to Amazon FBA location. I will share you a personal scenario. My GST is from Tamil Nadu and I generally send products to Chennai FBA warehouse. I live in West Bengal. So, every time I cannot arrange someone in Chennai and ask them to ship it, it is waste of time completely. So, I get the sample of the product in West Bengal and from West Bengal, I ship the products directly to my Chennai FBA location. And if the supplier is very trustworthy and since I am associated with many suppliers for longer time, I make sure that wherever they are, they can be in Jaipur or wherever they are, I put their from address and ask them to ship this product to my Chennai FBA location. But I make sure that I teach them how to paste all these FBA labels, box labels very clearly. And since I am associated with them for more than 2 to 3 years, I gave them this opportunity like, okay, I know about your products, I have a lot of trust on you, so no need to send me for sampling. You please send all the products from your location to my Chennai warehouse. So anywhere inside India, you can schedule a pickup. ATS guys will come pick the parcels and deliver to the customer. So don't worry on that. This should not stop you from selling. But I again repeat, I would have shared in the previous video also. Don't believe your suppliers blindly. Once you have started associated with them, finish 2 to 3 orders. See how trustworthy are they. Once you are all settled only, please try to ship the parcels from the supplier location to FBA warehouse. That's very important. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe New Gen Max.